With fall here, now's a great time to create a lawn that will dominate your neighborhood. To help you achieve that goal, I'm going to share 4 tips that pretty much anyone can do. They'll work for cool season grass, so if you got a ryegrass lawn, Kentucky bluegrass, or fescue, you're good to go. Or if you're like me and have Bermuda, they'll work as well. Let's get started. The first tip is around mowing. Mowing is literally the most important aspect of creating that manicured golf course lawn look. For best results, you want to get out there and mow at least twice a week because that's going to do a lot to help your lawn stay green between mowings. A really important point that's often overlooked is to ensure that your mower is sharp. You gotta remember, every time you mow your grass, you're injuring it, so ensuring you're using a sharp mower, whether it's a rotary mower or a real mower like you see here, is really important towards getting the best possible result in your lawn. Next up, let's talk about biostimulants. Biostimulants are a great way to improve the quality of your soil and is something I highly recommend incorporating into your lawn care program. The biostimulant that I like to use is a product called Essential G, which comes in granular form. The only tool you're going to need to apply it is a broadcast spreader, which makes it super easy. Be sure to consult the label on the bag to get the calibration that's correct for your particular equipment. Next up, let's talk about soil testing. Soil testing is an often overlooked aspect of creating an amazing lawn. The question of which fertilizer you should be using in your lawn is pretty hard to answer without knowing what's going on in your soil. The only tool you're going to need is a probe, bucket, and then walk around various parts of your lawn and collect samples before sending them out. Within a week, you'll get results that'll let you know exactly what fertilizer is the correct one for your particular soil. Last up, that brings us to fertilization, a subject near and dear to my heart. Now, based on your soil test results, you're going to get options for granular and liquid fertilizers. Both are equally effective, and really just choose the one that works best for you based on your comfort level. I use a combination of granular and liquid fertilizers, and if you'd like to learn a little bit more about that, I have a video right here for you to watch next that talks about the spoon feeding program that I use to get an amazing result. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.